Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is inspired by my friend who is just asking me, Anita, can you take a look? What is the source message for me? When will this be manifested? And that's the source message for all of you who are asking now in this moment, when will that be manifested? If you ask yourself, when will something happen? When will your wish come true? When will something be manifested? That means that you still have doubts, that you still don't feel that you really deserve it, own it, that you decided to have it, that your intention is firm and clear, that you really feel that it's done. So if you don't feel that something is already done, it's just because you have resistance. And what is resistance? Resistance is doubt. Resistance are feeling like, is it maybe too good for me? Is it possible for me? Am I enough for that? Is it really time? Am I ready? Maybe I have to do something else. Maybe I have to do this or have to do that. Maybe I didn't do everything that I'm supposed to do. So if you have resistance, that is because you doubt yourself and doubt life. Are you really enough? Are you worthy? Is that really yours? But there is nobody in the universe. There is no God outside of you who will tell you, yeah, now you deserve it. Now you are enough and now you're worthy. When you do this, this and this, when you meet it all criterias. No, there is nobody outside of you who is going to judge you or have that ruling and now something is yours. You are the consciousness. You are the life. You are God's child. You are God's consciousness. There isn't any God that is not also you, that does not live in you. So it would be like God is asking himself and somebody else, do I deserve it? Well, do you? Do you? Because life is a mirror. Do you deserve? Are you enough? So are you capable? Do you believe in yourself? Do you think this is for you? Can you feel it? Are you brave enough to really feel, I can move in that direction. It is time. I can do this. I believe in myself. And the most important, I truly believe life is working for me. Life is sorting things out for me without me even knowing how. Life is creating and connecting these components that I don't even see, that my reason cannot control. And life is doing it so much better, like 100 times better, 100 times better than my reason would do it. So just believe in life. You are born worthy. You are born enough. You are born capable. That what you want, what is your soul desires, is yours. And there is nobody to tell you, oh, now is the right time. Right time is when you feel it. So overcome your subconscious obstacles and practice your mind, create habits. Feel more and more, I really deserve that. I really claim that. This is mine and this is so normal for me. So when you feel something as normal, peaceful, it is something that it's supposed to be, that it should be, it is the right thing, then you will live in that reality field. And then you will manifest it. It will manifest itself. This is the law of attraction. This is simply creation. What is in you is mirroring in your outer world. And that's it, my dear ones. So thank you for being with me. I'm also inviting you to my free workshop regarding abundance, regarding money. It will be on Saturday. Saturday, 7 p.m. UK time, 7 p.m. GMT or UTC. It's 8 p.m. Central European time. Well, we will leave all the links below. You can just click and register. It's completely free. And that's it. Enjoy. Sending you kisses, loving you, and bye-bye.